I did it! Dang, the cops are out. I better chill out. What's the speed limit? Oh, 40. We're doing 51. Perfect. Wow, look at these guys. We got Poison Ivy and we got Jessica Jones. What's up, Jessica Jones? Are these pumpkin cutouts or are they just a color? You're barbecuing? You didn't leave me anything? You're a ninja.
I am a villain.
Oh, plastic. Oh, I got a pumpkin, lollipops, bobbing for soda. You ate all the hot dogs, didn't leave me nothing. Dang, it's like that. Alright. 1 is the loneliest number that you'll ever do. Red light challenge! Balance both of your feet off the ground at the same time. I can't prove that I did it, but I did it. Now my bike has been making some sort of rattling noise and I don't know if that's my keychain. What is that? That's rattling. It's just been like shaking and I'm like, what is that? Red light challenge! Excuse me. When you guys ride, is your mouth open or closed? You know how your cheek pads push your cheeks in and you're like biting on the inside of your cheeks? I got a little buddy. I just met her. She's got a brand new 2018 GSX-R 750. Whoa. You lost me, I fishtailed. Yeah. I haven't fishtailed on this bike yet. That was really fun. How's she side straddling it? I gotta get a cleared fucking visor up. Gonna race? Gonna race? Gonna race? There's so much moisture because we're by the beach right now. There's so much moisture. I had a Canada Dry and it's just making me all gassy. Hey, at least it's coming up one way, not the other.